Today, we are going to draw Zoe Zebra from Peppa Pig. Let's draw a round potato for the head. And give her a bunny ear on the left side. Time for stripes. Slide down once, twice, and 3 times. Now, draw 2 little eyes inside the stripes. Draw a pig nose and a happy smile. Let's make a tent for the body. Draw 2 arms and 2 legs. Don't forget the wiggly tail on the back. Good job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.